Installing the Sam's Club Gazebo is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, read the instructions. Carefully review the assembly instructions provided with your Sam's Club Gazebo. Familiarize yourself with the different parts and their sequence of assembly. Then gather your tools. You will likely need basic tools like a ladder, wrenches, screwdrivers, a tape measure, and an eyeball. Depending on the gazebo's size and complexity, additional tools might be needed. Now, choose a level and firm location for your gazebo, free from your overhead obstructions like power lines or low-hanging branches. After that, ensure the ground can accommodate the weight of the gazebo and withstand potential wind loads. Then gather help depending on the size and complexity of your gazebo. Having an extra pair of hands can significantly speed up and ease the assembly process. Now prepare the base. Depending on the model, your gazebo might require a concrete pad or foundation for stability. Follow the instructions for preparing the base, ensuring it's level and secure. Now assemble the frame. Start with the main supporting legs and beams, following the instructions and ensuring all connections are tight and secure. And use a level to check for alignment and plumpness. Then attach the roof panels. Carefully install the roof panels, ensuring they are properly aligned and secured to the frame. Some models might require additional support beams or braces depending on the roof design. Install the walls and doors if applicable. If your gazebo includes walls or a door, attach them according to the instructions, ensuring proper alignment and functionality. Then, secure the final touches. Once the main structure is complete, add any finishing touches like railings, screens, or decorative elements as per the instructions.